Did you know the most powerful emperor in Chinese history died from the very thing he thought would make him live forever? Qin Shi Huang ruled over millions. He built the Great Wall. He conquered kingdoms. But there was one enemy he could never defeat: death itself. As years passed, his fear grew into something darker. He sent ships across dangerous seas, searching for magical islands where immortals lived. He gathered alchemists who promised him the secret to eternal life. They gave him mercury pills, shiny, heavy drops of liquid metal mixed with precious stones. The emperor swallowed them daily, believing each dose brought him closer to godhood. But mercury is poison. Slowly, it ate away at his mind. He became paranoid, hiding in underground palaces, trusting no one. The man who once stood before armies now cowered in shadows, his body shaking, his thoughts scattered like leaves in wind. The alchemists kept feeding him more poison, more false promises. Each pill brought him closer to the very thing he feared most. In the end, his quest for immortality became his death sentence.